Hello student. In our previous lecture, we have seen what is the osmosis and osmotic pressure. In our today's lecture, we have to determine the molar mass of solute from osmotic pressure measurement. This is our lecture number 7. Osmotic pressure measurement are chiefly used to determine molar masses of micromolecules like protein. The Van 't Hoff equation is given by formula, that is pi is equal to CRT, where which can be written as pi is equal to N2 by V into RT, where N2 is the number of moles of solute and V is the volume. Since N2 is equal to W2 upon M2, where W2 is the weight of solute and M2 is the molar mass of solute, it follows that V pi is equal to RT into N2. Now here putting the value of N2, we get V pi is equal to RT W2 upon M2, that is rearranging the equation, we get value of M2. M2 is equal to RT W2 divided by V pi. Thus, in this way, we can determine molar mass of the solute. Now see the some numerical. First, the osmotic pressure of a solution containing 5 gram of hemoglobin in 500 cm cube of solution was found to be 344 nanometer at 276 Kelvin. Calculate the molar mass of hemoglobin. Before solving, first write down the given data. So let us see first solution, then given data. First read the sum. See here the 5 gram of hemoglobin, so it is a W2, that is the weight of solute. Again volume of hemoglobin is a 500 cm cube. Pressure, that is osmotic pressure, 344 Newton per meter square, and temperature is 276 Kelvin. So write down first the given data. So pi 344 Newton per meter square. Again temperature 276 Kelvin. R 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Volume 500 cm cube. So convert it into meter cube by dividing by 1000. Again convert into the minus meter cube, that is per meter cube, that is 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. W2, that is a 5 gram. Now we have to calculate molecular weight of solute, that is M2. We have osmotic pressure equation, that is for determination of molar mass, M2 is equal to RT into W2 divided by V pi. Putting all the given values in above equation, we get M2 is equal to 276 into 8.314 into 5 divided by 344 into 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. By making calculation, we get value of M2 is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to 4. The molar mass of hemoglobin is M2 is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to 4. Let us see the second example. The osmotic pressure of a 5% aqueous cane sugar solution at 288 Kelvin is found to be 3.496 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. Calculate molar mass of cane sugar. Again, before writing given data, just read the sum and try to understand what is the given. 5% aqueous solution means here the weight of solution is a 5 gram. Again Volume is 100 cm cube, so we have to convert it into the meter cube per meter cube. Temperature is given 288 Kelvin. Pressure is 3.496 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square, and we have to calculate M2. So write down given data. So in given data, first osmotic pressure, that is 3.496 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. Temperature 288 Kelvin. R 8.314 Joule per Kelvin per mole. Volume 100 cm cube. Dividing by 1000, convert into 0.1 dm cube. Again multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3, get convert into minus meter cube. Now weight, that is a 5 gram. We have to calculate the M2. We have osmotic pressure equation, that is M2 is equal to RT into W2 divided by V pi. Putting all the values, given values in above equation, we get M2 is equal to 288 into 8.314 into 5 divided by 3.496 into 10 raised to 5 into 0.1 10 raised to minus 3. Calculating all the values, we are getting the answer. Molecular weight is 342.45. Thus, the molar mass of cane sugar is 342.45. So student, I hope you are getting how to calculate the molar mass of the solute. Now we will see one sum in which we can calculate the osmotic pressure. So let us see the sum. Calculate the osmotic pressure of a 0.6% aqueous solution of a urea having molecular weight 60 at 300 Kelvin. Let us see. First, write down the given data. Read the sum once again. So you are getting weight of solute is, of course, it is a 0.6, that is W2 is 0.6. Temperature 300 Kelvin, M2 is a 60. Now we have to calculate pi. So write down given data. Temperature 300 Kelvin, R 8.314 Joule per Kelvin per mole. Volume is 100 cm cube divided by 1000, so it's 0.1 dm cube. Multiplied with 10 raised to minus 3, get convert into the meter cube. Now W2 is 0.6 gram, M2 is 60. We have to calculate pi. So let us see. We have osmotic pressure equation, that is M2 is equal to RT into W2 divided by V pi. Rearranging above equation, so pi goes to the left hand side, M2 come to the right hand side. Rearranging above equation, we get pi is equal to RT into W2 divided by M2 into V. Putting all the given values in above equation, we get pi is equal to 300 into 8.314 into 0.6 divided by 60 divided by 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. Calculating all the values, we get pi is equal to 2.49 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. Thus, the osmotic pressure of urea is pi is equal to 2.49 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. So student, I hope you are getting how to calculate the molar mass of solute by using osmotic pressure equation. If you have any query regarding this topic, contact me personally. Thank you.